Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome lecture number 9 from chapter 3, that is reproduction in plants. Before going to start our lecture, we will recapitulate our previous lectures from this chapter. In lecture 7, we have studied about the parts of a flower. Here are shown parts of a flower: sepal, petals, stigma, style, ovary, and we can see that how pollen grains from the anther of a flower transfers to the stigma of the carpel, and where through pollen tubes these pollen grains goes into the ovary, where sperms and eggs are combined and form a zygote, and this zygote transforms into a seed, and this seed develops into a new seedling, which is a new plant. So this is all about our previous two lectures, that is lecture number 7 and 8. In lecture number 9, we will study about formation of seeds and formation of fruits. So let's start our lecture. Formation of seeds. Many plants grow and bear fruit to protect their seeds. A seed protects the embryo inside it. In addition, shapes of seeds and fruits help in their dispersal. After fertilization, an ovule becomes a seed. The embryo and its store of food are covered by a tough seed coat. The most important part of a seed is its embryo. Embryo grows into a new plant. The embryo consists of the following parts. First one is radicle. This part of the embryo develops into the first root of the new plant. The second one is plumule. This part of the embryo develops into the first shoot, which is also known as stem of the new plant. Cotyledons. This part of the embryo supplies food to the growing young plant. So this is about the formation of seeds. So the next one is formation of fruits. Dear students, the ripened ovary is called a fruit. The ovary wall forms the fruit wall, that is called the pericarp. Inside the ovary, ovules develop into seeds. The matured fruit may contain single or many seeds. The pericarp has 3 layers in most fruits like peaches and mangoes. The outer layer is skin, the middle layer is fleshy, and the inner layer is tough or hard. Some fruits have hard and dry pericarp, for example nuts. So students, this is about the formation of fruits. So it is end of our lecture. It is now time to home assignment. In this assignment you have to describe the structure of a seed, and you have to give the answer or write a note on fruit. So this is your assignment. Thank you so much students. Allah bless you all.